how to download Chrome on your iPhone. So I'll show you how to install the Chrome browser on your mobile. Now, first thing you need to do is head over to your iPhone home screen like this. You could then swipe downwards to bring up the search box and go and type in App Store and then click on this app here, which is the App Store. Now from the App Store, click on the search box in the bottom right hand side of the page. Now click on the search box and then just go and search for the word Chrome and press search. You'll then need to scroll down to this app here, which is Google Chrome, and then you can go and click on the app like so. Now you should see either a blue get button or a cloud button to download this onto your device. So if I just go ahead and click on this, you can see it will now begin downloading onto my iPhone. Once it's finished downloading, you'll see the blue open button. Go and click on this. And as you can see, you can either sign in to your Google Chrome profile, or you can just press the Don't Sign In button. Now, you'll also have the option to change Google Chrome as your default browser on your iPhone. So that means every time you open up a link, it will take you to Google Chrome instead of Safari. Now to do this, press Make Default in Settings, click on Default Browser App, and just go and switch this over to Chrome. You could then head back over to the Chrome browser. It will ask you if you want to bring your data in from Safari, so you can import all of your old passwords, history, and also bookmarks. I'm just going to press no thanks. And as you can see, we can start using the Chrome browser on our iPhone.